What is NVIDIA Cosmos? NVIDIA Cosmos is an advanced simulation platform created by NVIDIA, a company known for its graphics cards, the components that enable video games and images on computers, and artificial intelligence, AI technologies, which allow machines to learn and make decisions on their own. This platform is designed to develop and train robots, particularly those that use AI to move and interact with the real world. In practice, Cosmos creates virtual environments, digital worlds, where robots can practice and improve without the risks or costs of real-world testing. Imagine Cosmos as a super realistic video game, but instead of you having fun, developers use it to teach robots useful things. Moving through a room full of obstacles, picking up objects without dropping them, or even driving an autonomous car. It's a digital training field for future technologies. When was it created? NVIDIA Cosmos was officially presented on January 7, 2025, during the CES, Consumer Electronics Show, in Las Vegas, a famous event where companies showcase their most innovative inventions. It was Jensen Huang, NVIDIA's CEO, who introduced it to the public, explaining how this platform could change the way robots are designed and prepared for real-world work. Who is it for? Cosmos is not a tool for everyone, but it is designed for a specific audience: robotics researchers, scholars who want to understand better how to make robots work, developers, programmers, and engineers who create the brain of robots, the software that guides them, companies, especially those working on humanoid robots similar to humans, autonomous cars, or other intelligent systems. In short, it's for those building technologies that could one day help you at home, deliver packages, or drive for you. How does it work, and how is it used? NVIDIA Cosmos allows for creating simulations, i.e., digital reconstructions of real situations, where robots can be tested and trained. Developers use it to train robots, teach them to walk, grasp objects, or avoid obstacles, test ideas, try new programs without risking breaking a real robot, optimize, improve the speed and precision of robots. For example, if a company wants a robot for a warehouse, with Cosmos, they can create a virtual warehouse complete with shelves, packages, and conveyor belts. Then the robot is placed in this digital world and practices moving packages, with the possibility of repeating it thousands of times, changing details like lighting or object positions to see how it reacts. All this is possible thanks to NVIDIA's advanced technologies. Omniverse, a NVIDIA platform that serves as the base for Cosmos. Omniverse is a shared digital workspace where multiple people, even from different cities, can collaborate in real time to create and modify these virtual environments. It's like a shared online drawing table. An engineer in Italy and a programmer in America can work together on the same virtual warehouse, adding details or correcting issues while the robot trains. Thanks to Omniverse, Cosmos worlds are more realistic and teams can develop them faster. Why is it important? Safety. Robots can make mistakes in the virtual world without causing damage. Savings. Simulating thousands of tests costs less than doing them in reality. Speed. Ideas are tested quickly, accelerating development. An example? If you want an autonomous car, Cosmos, with the help of Omniverse, allows it to face rain, snow, or traffic in a digital world without ever leaving the lab. When the car goes on the road, it will already be ready to handle difficult situations. Limitations. To keep in mind, despite its power, Cosmos is not perfect. The virtual worlds, as realistic as they are thanks to Omniverse and other technologies, cannot replicate everything that happens in reality. An unexpected gust of wind or a surface that wears out over time, for example, might not be predicted. Therefore, after simulations, robots must still be tested in the real world to confirm they work well. Cosmos is an extraordinary aid, but it does not entirely replace real-world practice. Subscribe for more news about AI.